Lineless printing solutions are a fantastic way to unlock sustainable printing by reducing waste and maximising efficiency. However, choosing the wrong lineless media can lead to big problems. In this video, we will be discussing why you should be using Zebra's Zero Liner in Zebra's lineless printers. A core concern with using third-party supplies is what we call the attack of adhesive ooze. This occurs when adhesive seeps out of low-quality lineless media, causing a series of headaches such as constant cleaning and maintenance, jammed printers, and unreadable labels. Any one of these issues can cause significant downtime and could lead to requiring replacement parts, adding to your overall costs. Zebra's Zero Liner media has been rigorously tested, guaranteeing that when used, it is the most compatible and reliable solution available for Zebra lineless printers, including the newly launched ZT411. Zebra Zero Liner media is designed to minimize adhesive buildup, ensuring optimal print quality and smooth label throughput. This means less time spent on maintenance and more time focusing on your operations. If you require any more information about Zebra Zero Liner, please visit zebra.com.